What's up, you guys? It's Eric from Light Skin TV, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get curly hair. So when I'm in the public, a lot of people will be asking me how I get my hair like that, like how it curls like that and stuff. So today I decided I'm gonna show you guys. But anyways, I just got my hair braided, so it's kind of crazy right now. But I'm gonna still show you how I transform it into those nice, natural-looking curls. So let's get into it. Yeah, so this is how my hair is looking right now. It's a little bit crazy, a little dry, a little frizzy, but yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get it from this state to that nice, shiny looking curl. All right, guys, so the first thing you wanna do is get your hair wet. So you guys can either do that in your shower or in your sink. I'm gonna go ahead and do it in my sink. So here you go. First thing I'm gonna do is start off with this shampoo I use. So as you can see here, it's sulfate free. So that's really important when you're shampooing your hair because sulfate actually dries your hair out. So when you guys are buying shampoo, just make sure it says this. It's really important. So you can get any shampoo you want as long as it's sulfate free. Then you're good. So I'm gonna first go ahead and just put a little bit in my hair. It's not too much, just a little bit. So let's get a little bit and just work through your hair. Make sure it's nice and even. Working nice straight. Alright, so after you shampoo it, just let it sit in your hair for about a minute or so. Then go ahead and rinse it out. So alright guys, so after you shampoo your hair, next thing you want to do is grab your conditioner and go ahead and start working it through your hair. So this is the conditioner I be using, Australian Native Botanicals. But to be honest, you can use anything you want as long as it's sulfate free. That's the most important thing. So y'all can be creative with that. So not too much, just a little bit. Just first rub in your hands. Let's work it through your hair. Alright, it's important to make sure that you really work it through your head and you get every spot of your hair. Just make sure it's nice and in to the top along your roots. Alright, so once you work the conditioner in your hair, go ahead and get a wide tooth comb or a comb of your choice and just work it through your hair. So this will get rid of all the knots, and after you wash your hair out, it's going to make your hair nice and curly. This is really important for curly hair because when you don't comb your hair often, the knots start building up and it starts creating like naps. So it's one of the most important things to do when trying to get curly hair. So just work it through your hair until you don't feel any more knots. So guys, just finished combing my hair, got all the knots out. So after you finish that, you want to go ahead and wash your hair. So after you wash your hair, we can start getting to the fun part where your hair starts really getting curly. So pay close attention now. So this is one of the products I'll be using. It's called leave-in conditioner. So the first one I use is olive oil by Palmer's. It really works for me. I don't know if it's gonna work for you guys, but as long as it's sulfate free, like I said before, and as long as it says it's a curl activator, it should work for you. So yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit in my hair with this. Go ahead and put a little bit, let's work it through your hair. Nice and easy. So make sure it's fully through your hair. Alright. So next thing I use is Mixtrix. This is a pretty well-known leave-in conditioner. It really activates your curls. I really recommend this product. It's a little bit pricey, but if you can afford it, I definitely recommend it. So, stuck to the bottom. You guys put a little bit of that in your hair. Let's work it through again. Alright, so last touch I use is this Olive Nourishing Sheen Spray. This will get your hair nice and shiny, that nice shiny look that you want to finish off. So you just shake it a bit and spray in your head. So this can make your hair nice and glossy. Alright, so the final thing I do is take a towel, just wash the water off your face. Make sure you're looking nice and good. And go ahead and grab your brush. And let's go ahead and brush down the sides. Just make sure it's nice and crispy. Get that fade in. And the last thing you want to do is grab a low comb and get your edges in. Just make sure it's nice and tucked. Now you can go ahead and play with it, make it look however you want to make it look, style it how you want. I just like it like this. Alright you guys, this is the finished product. As you can see, it's nice and curly, nice little transformation for y'all. So yeah, we have a lot of content coming for you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Got a lot of new stuff on the way for you guys.